All right, everybody. Hello, hello. So, as most of you know who follow my page, Ultra Cullen Real Estate, on all my social media handles, most of my rental units that I have are filled with Section 8 tenants. And so, whenever I come across some good information, I'm going to try to make sure I share it. So, from the affordablehousing.com's Instagram page, they post a lot of good info about different places that have open Section 8 waiting lists. So, right here, especially for my people who are already in Illinois, Bloomington, Illinois, so about 2.5 hours southwest of Chicago. So you guys probably all know Illinois State University, Illinois Wesleyan University, Heartland Community College. I think State Farm and Country Financial have headquarters down in Bloomington. So actually, I've been down there a couple times. It's actually a pretty nice town, and so there's different waiting lists that open at various times, and so you should definitely follow the Instagram page for affordablehousing.com. And so actually that's also the tool that I use as a landlord to post open rental units when I get them. And so it's also a cool thing because it goes out to people who are not only Section 8, but also to regular renters as well. So definitely follow the Instagram page for affordablehousing.com as you see right here. And so I'm going to make sure I do my part. And whenever I do find out about something, to make sure I post it so other people will see it. But definitely good resources to have. And thank you as always for all support. Greatly appreciate it. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll keep on pumping out the good information as I get it. All right.